How to find follow requests on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you want to find your TikTok followers request, here is how. You simply need to launch TikTok and make sure to log in. Then you will land on the For You page. Tap on the inbox bot icon at bottom right corner. And at the top, you will see the new followers section. Simply you can tap on it, and here you will find all your pending follower requests. You can easily select accept and accept their request, or you can easily choose to delete those followers' requests as well. And after that, you will be friends if you have accepted their follow request. So here's how you can easily find followers request or follow requests on TikTok. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.